Hi, I am Hand Initial. Welcome to this video Serie 4 on Python GUI calculator using Tkinter. In the last series, we added basic arithmetic operation to our calculator. In this series, we are going to keep adding functionalities. Let's start with the decimal number. As you can see, our calculator does not take decimal number. See, even though I press on the dot button, it doesn't take the decimal number. To fix that, we are going to add in our dictionary the dot button the same way we did for our operator. Let's do that. Close this and we copy. That's our dictionary. Let's copy that. We copy that and paste it here. Paste it here and we change the key. We should have a comma here. We change the key to dot, and also the argument we change it to dot. And that's it. Let's try it. 2.5 plus 4.2 6.7. Great. Now let's add two more functionality to our calculator that we can be able to build more complex expression. You see here, those two buttons are empty. We are going to add parentheses, open parentheses, and closing parentheses here. Let's do that. You're gonna see how easy it is to add more functionality to our calculator. We come here in our button list, button row. We come here, and here we add the open parentheses, and here we add the closing parentheses. Okay, and what we do next, we're gonna add those in our dictionary. Everything revolves around our dictionary. We copy that, copy, and let's move that down. We paste it here, paste, and we change the argument to open parentheses, the key to open parentheses. We add the argument for closing parentheses and the key for closing parentheses. Okay, we're good. We're good to go. Let's try it. Here is our parentheses, the open one and the closing one. Let's build our expression. Let's try 19 minus open parentheses 2 plus 3, let's close the parentheses, time 2. Let's see the answer. The answer is 9. Good. Let us divide 5 by 0. Python doesn't like it. It throws an error, zero division error. That means we cannot divide by 0. Let's try to key a bad expression, like for example 2 plus open parenthesis. Let's see. Python doesn't like it either. It's complaint. Python complaint. We need to fix those runtime error. To handle those errors, we are going to use the try block statement to make our code more resilient. Let's do that. The console said the error occurs in line 33. We have to test this line 33. We have to test this line of code with the try block. We can do that here, like that. We put trial, semicolon, and we need to indent that. We use the except block, except, to handle errors. That's the except block, to handle error. And in case when no errors occur, we're gonna use the else block. That should be this one. All those gonna be executed. For the except block, let's handle the zero division error right there, where it is zero division error. Okay, when that error occur, 0. Let's fix 0. Yeah, zero division error. When that error occur, we're gonna set the eval variable that's set to this expression cannot be divided by 0. Cannot divide it by 0. Zero division error. Okay, we need to put that in quote like that. Okay, and we can use another except block to handle except, to handle every other case of error that can occur. We set eval that set can say, for example, bad expression, okay, let's try it. Let's clear that, and now let's try 7 divided by 0. Let's fix this except block. We don't need quote here, and also It's division, zero division, like that. Okay, let's try it. 7 divided by 0 cannot divide by 0. Great. Let's try another one, like 5 plus open parentheses, bad expression. Great. Let's try one that doesn't occur errors. 8 times 3, 24. Great. And also, let's try, for example, 5.3 plus 2.5, 7.8. Now we have a prototype for calculator where we can keep improving by handling errors and adding more functionalities. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comment and subscribe.